To access the YouTube audio library, where you can find copyright-free music to use in your videos on YouTube, open Safari, type in the URL studio.youtube.com. You can see the URL in the address bar right now. Along the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see this group of icons. You want to tap on the music note, which is third from the bottom. I'm just going to use the track at the top. To play a bit of the track, you can hit the play icon right here. Tap the pause icon to pause the playback of your track. If you tap on the symbol underneath license type, you'll get another pop-up that says, "This track was added under the YouTube audio library license," which means that you can use this track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. The important part is this line right here that says no attribution is required. That means you can use this track for free. Now you're ready to download the track. Just tap on it one more time and you'll see a download link appear on the right hand side. Tap download and then tap download one more time. If you look in the upper right hand corner of your browser, just tap on it. Now you can play the track using the media player on your device.